Here's a brief overview of how to install your kitchen. For details, refer to the printed assembly instructions. Sort the packages cabinet by cabinet using the packing list and your kitchen drawing. This is so you know which package is which and where it will go. Make sure all plumbing, electrical and ventilation work that needs to be done is done. Make sure you know where the highest point of the floor is and where the corners of the room are not 90 degrees. Mark out your new kitchen, cabinet by cabinet, and where the suspension rails will go. The base rail should be 82 centimeters above the floor's highest point. Refer to the printed assembly instructions and then fasten the rails. Base cabinet rail first. Use a spirit level to make sure they're level. Refer to the printed assembly instructions and then assemble your wall cabinets. Hang your wall cabinets, starting in the corner. Refer to the printed assembly instructions and then assemble your base cabinets, including the legs. Hang your base cabinets, starting in the corner. Refer to the printed assembly instructions and then assemble your high cabinets and add the cover panels. Hang your high cabinets. Get your electrician to install your lighting. Check that your countertop is the correct size. Also check to see if you need to adjust the ends so it will fit exactly. Fit the countertop. Fit the plinth and ventilation grill. Fit the drawer slides in the cupboards. Remember that the slides for inner drawers and standard drawers are fitted in different ways. Refer to your printed assembly instructions and then assemble your drawers. Fit the drawers, but make sure you've run all your lighting cables in the cabinets first. Fit and adjust the doors and install the shelves. Fit the knobs and handles. Remember that we can help you with installation. Talk to your local IKEA store for details.